Grabber premium quality screws are built for performance and have been the professional's first choice for over 40 years. Grabber goes to great lengths to maintain the quality of its fasteners. So, what sets Grabber screws apart from other screws? Grabber changes thread dies more frequently because worn thread dies result in poor thread formation and poor screw performance. Sure, it's less expensive to use thread dies longer, but sharper threads help screws dry faster and cleaner, resulting in lower labor costs and higher productivity. Grabber changes recess dies more frequently because worn recess dies result in a sloppy fit between the driver bit and screw recess. Tight recesses mean screws are less likely to strip out, and bit tips will last longer, saving time and frustration. Grabber heat treats fewer screws at a time, ensuring more even heat treatment and better performance. Grabber closely controls this process at its mill. Most other companies outsource heat treatment to lower production costs. Better heat treatment means screw heads are less likely to shear, pop off, or twist. Quality also means innovation. Grabber's unique scavenger head screws drive cleanly into drywall, helping to reduce or eliminate paper burrs. As typical drywall screws are driven, they tend to leave behind paper burrs. These paper burrs require more mud to cover and more sanding and finishing time, resulting in lost time and higher labor costs. Grabber's scavenger head screws are designed to seat flush consistently and help to reduce or eliminate paper burrs. Grabber's approved mill keeps tight control over all production standards. Grabber's mill is ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ICC certified compliant and includes a comprehensive quality control department. Grabber works closely with the mill's extensive research and development laboratory, ensuring Grabber fasteners always lead in technology. Grabber screws are built for performance. Threads are sharper. Recesses are tighter. Heat treatment is consistent. Grabber screws are certified to the highest industry standards. Now, these are small things most people don't notice, but they're also the small things that make a big difference between average fasteners and professional grade fasteners. Professionals know the difference and demand the best. Professionals ask for Grabber. Grabber is the professional's choice. Built professional grade and as the professional's first choice for over 40 years, Grabber screws are now available to help do-it-yourself customers get the same professional results as the professionals do, and with far less frustration and fewer regrets than with other screws. Using the highest quality steel and consistent heat treatment, Grabber uses the most innovative, rigorously tested, and the most cutting-edge manufacturing processes. Grabber screws are unsurpassed in offering the best design screws that produce professional and lasting results every time. That's Grabber screws, and that's why Grabber is always the professional's first choice. So when you want happy customers, look for the G to ensure you're offering them the very best professional grade screws available anywhere. Many screws are mass-produced with poor quality steel using worn thread and recess dies that result in sloppy tolerances, bit recesses, and very poor screw performance. All this results in unnecessary frustration for your customers. We've all had it happen. We use poor quality screws that easily cam out even while the worker is placing all their weight on the power screwdriver and pushing down with all the force they can muster. We've also felt the frustration of having a screw head break off while trying to install it, leaving us frustrated as we have no idea how we're going to remove what's left of that broken screw. Don't forget those nasty paper burrs that are created by using regular drywall screws that leave us frustrated and wondering how much more work it will take to make the surface smooth again. In exterior applications, we have all witnessed the corrosion of poor quality screws over time as they rust and deteriorate and often cause streaking with unsightly results. But most importantly, unhappy customers. With Grabber screws, the results are immediate and obvious, and all these problems are reduced or eliminated for your customers. Another significant innovation is Grabber's unique scavenger head drywall screw. Scavenger head screws are specifically engineered to reduce paper burrs on drywall by cutting gently into paper under the screw, leaving a smooth finish. Your customers will get smooth finishes on drywall every time using Grabber's unique scavenger head screws. And your customers can enjoy the results of their do-it-yourself project for years to come with Grabber's high-quality Grabber Guard exterior grade coating that reduces staining and corrosion in deck and fence applications. Thanks to precision engineering, rigorous testing, and strict manufacturing processes, Grabber screws are stronger and work better than other brands. Grabber begins with the highest quality wire available, then changes head punches and thread dies more frequently, ensuring screw recesses are tight and threads are always sharp. Grabber's consistent heat treatment processes on all of its screws ensures broken off screw heads are much less likely. Grabber's certified in-house testing facility performs daily tests on all our fasteners to ensure our customers receive consistent performance expectations with each box they purchase from your store. Grabber professional grade screws mean fewer broken off screw heads. Achieve smoother finishes on drywall using Grabber's revolutionary scavenger head screws, and lasting results thanks to Grabber's innovative Grabber Guard exterior grade coating. So, for the happiest customers, offer them professional grade Grabber screws. Your customers will be glad you did. That's Grabber, the professionals, and soon to be your customer's first choice. Remember to look for the G every time you want to offer your customers the very best. Thank you for teaming up with Grabber Construction Products. Together, we will make your customers happy customers that want professional grade screws to get professional grade results.